Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to teach you start. Sprint start. Sprint start is basically of two types. First one is crouch start, where the five parts of our body touches the ground. Which are they? The two hands, knee, and both the legs. That is both the feet. Five parts. Next type of start is known as flying start. Basically used for middle distance and long distance races. Whereas crouch start is used for sprinting events. For example, 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, hurdles, and so on. Now, as I told you earlier, before doing any sort of physical activities, you have to do some stretching or warm up. So let us do that. First, spot jump. Front back. Use the hand. Change. Okay, change. Change. Now in this exercise, my leg is fixed. Change. Now you can see my leg is also moving along with the hand. Now let us do some stretching exercises. This leg, right leg, should be 90 degrees and left leg should be stretched. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the leg. Same exercise. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change the leg. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now as the warm-up is over, now let us go for the crouch start. Crouch start is again of three types. First one is bunch or bullet start. Bunch or bullet start is generally used by the small heighted athletes. Medium start is used by the medium heighted athletes. Elongated start, the third start. This type of start is used by the long heighted athletes. So let us see how to mark or which leg you have to keep where. Suppose this is the line. This is the starting line. You have to just mark T or 1.5 distance. Let us see the first T1. I am keeping it like this so that it will be visible to you all. I have kept my one leg, then I have kept like this. I have made it T, marked it, 2 steps, and then again T. So my first marking is here, second marking is this portion. So first leg, where you have marked first marking, there you have to keep the first leg. Second marking, you have to keep your second leg. Now let us talk about that bunch or bullet start. What is the general common idea? When my let me show you from this side. When my toes and knee are parallel and side by side, that is known as bunch start or bullet start. Let us go for the medium start. Now see, my toes are here and my knee is between the toe and the heel, that is this part. This is known as medium start. Now you can see my toes is here, heel is here, and my knee, the position of the knee is just beside the heel, parallel to the heel. This is known as elongated start. Okay. Now we have done. Now there are 3 commands when you go for a crouch start. First, what you have to do, this is the starting line. You have to stand behind the starting line. Relax. When the official says, athletes, on your mark, just go near the line, mark your points, Okay, this is the point, this is the position for the on your mark. The main thing, the distance between these two toes and the knee, it should be not less than this distance. It can be a little bit more, but not more. So the main aim to keep this much distance only here. It is okay. On your mark position, as I told you, when you are having on your mark position, crouch start, 5 parts of your body is touching the ground. See my hands, both the toes and one knee. As I told, this is the starting line. You cannot touch this line with your fingers. Why? Because this line is included in 100 meter, whereas the finishing line is excluded in 100 meter. So let us go for the on your mark position. Now you can see my hands. It should not be more than your shoulder length, just down to your shoulder. And see my fingers, I'm always keeping like this, making a breeze or U shape. You can make V, U. You have to main aim to keep your hands in a breeze. Athletes, on your mark. Now, next point. See my shoulder is just above the starting line. Don't keep it behind the line. You can keep above the line or little bit go forward. Then the next command will be set. Lift your leg slowly. Don't move. And the last command will be a gunfire or a clapper. So first one is on your mark, set and clapper. So what were the major points? Bunch start is of start. The sprint start is of 3 types. Crouch start is of 3 types. Bunch start or bullet start, medium start, and the last one is elongated start. And the other one is, I told, flying start. How it is? Suppose this is the line. Here the command will be only 2. What are that? On your mark, athletes, on your mark, and then they will go for a gunfire or a simple clap. Let us go for that. Athletes, on your mark. Just behind the line, don't touch the line, and keep your hands like this. Suddenly after this, they will give a clap or gunfire. So today we have learned sprint start, that is crouch start, We have seen all the three types of start: bunch start or bullet start, second one medium start, third one elongated start. And what are the commands given for the start? What are they? Athletes, on your mark, set, gunfire or clap. In case of flying start, two commands will be there: athletes, on your mark, and gunfire or clap. Thank you for